Hello, bonjour, and bonjour, everyone, and welcome to this week's craft video. My name is Hallie.
And I'm Cody the Craft Wolf. Hey Hallie, today I brought some ribbon.
Wow, that's perfect, Cody. We can use it in today's craft.
Yeah, but what are we making?
Well, today we're making jellyfish inspired by the simple everyday mom.
That's such a great idea. I can't wait any longer.
Okay, Cody, let's calm down. We're just about to start. In this bag, you should have some glue, some ribbon, an instruction sheet, a template, and a blue piece of paper and a purple piece of paper. Some other materials you may need are some scissors and a pencil or marker. First we're going to do is cut out all the pieces of the jellyfish template. In this bag, you have enough for 2 jellyfish. One will be purple and one will be blue. I'm just gonna keep the eyes together for now so that I don't lose them. Now trace the 2 parts of the jellyfish onto the colored paper. Now what you can do is cut out the jellyfish bodies. Now you can either glue the 2 purples together, the 2 blues together, or mix it up. I think that I'm gonna mix it up because that's pretty cool. Take a little bit of glue, and if you don't want to get your hands messy, you can use a paintbrush. So on the back side, I'm gonna add my glue. And then the bottom half. You can let that dry upside down so it doesn't get stuck to your table. And then do the same over. And while I wait for those to dry, I'm going to cut out the eyes. Okay. Now you're going to glue on the eyes. You can use your paintbrush again to do this. On the other side, take 4 pieces of ribbon and glue them on. You can also use tape if glue's too hard. Make sure the curly side is all the way down. The glue will dry clear, so you don't have to worry about being perfect. And it looks like we only have enough for 3 tentacles on each side. But that's okay because every jellyfish is different. There we go. And I'll let that one dry too. This is what it looks like after it's dried. Use your pencil or pen to give it a little smile. And that's it. Well, now I want to go to the beach and go swimming with the jellyfish.
The jellyfish looks great. I wonder what our friends' jellyfish look like.
Me too. If you did our craft today, tag us at the FFPLTC or use the hashtag FFPLTC Craft Club Crafts. Are you ready to sing the cleanup song?
Yeah. Making this stuff was really fun. Let's all sing the cleanup song. Clean up, clean up. Everybody clean up, clean up, clean up. Let's all put our stuff away.